Data scientists and Python developers are sleeping on Claude Code. While everyone's using ChatGPT for snippets, Claude Code is out here running your full analysis pipeline, fixing your Pandas bugs, and writing production-ready ML code. Let me show you why the upgrade is worth it. Hey everyone! If you're a Python developer or data scientist, Claude Code hits differently than a chat interface. It can read your actual data files, run code to see what the output looks like, inspect errors in real time, and iterate until it gets it right, all without you copy-pasting back and forth. Today I'm covering the workflows that save me the most time in data work. The most immediate win: Claude Code can read CSV, JSON, and Parquet files directly. Point it at a dataset and ask, summarize this data, tell me the shape, null counts, data types, and any obvious anomalies. It will run Python with Pandas to generate a full profile in seconds. I used to write this exploratory code manually every time. Now I don't. For larger files, it samples intelligently. It won't try to load 10 gigabytes into memory. It understands the difference between peek at the data and full analysis. Pandas errors are notoriously cryptic. Value error, cannot convert float nan to integer, tells you almost nothing. With Claude Code, paste the error and the relevant code, it reads the actual data frame, identifies the root cause, and fixes it. More importantly, it explains why the bug happened so you don't hit it again. For data pipeline debugging, ask Claude to trace an issue through the entire pipeline. It'll read each transformation step, identify where the data shape changes unexpectedly, and propose a fix. Claude Code has built-in support for Jupyter notebooks. It can read, edit, and add cells to .ipin files directly. Ask it to add an EDA section to this notebook with distribution plots for each numeric column. It generates the cells, includes markdown explanations, and the notebook is ready to run. Great for documentation as you go without the manual overhead. For machine learning workflows, Claude Code understands Sklearn, PyTorch, and TensorFlow idioms. Ask it to write a cross-validation pipeline for this classification task with hyperparameter search, and it produces working, idiomatic code, not just a skeleton. It also catches common mistakes, data leakage through pre-processing before splitting, not setting random seeds, using accuracy on imbalanced datasets. After writing the code, ask it to write unit tests. It'll generate tests that check shapes, types, and edge cases, the things ML code almost never has tests for. End-to-end data workflows end with communication. Ask Claude Code to take your analysis results and write a plain English summary for non-technical stakeholders. Or generate a matplotlib figure with proper labels and styling. I use it to convert raw analysis outputs into slide-ready summaries, which saves 30 minutes per project update. Claude Code is surprisingly good at fixing environment issues. Paste your error traceback from a missing library, a version conflict, or a broken virtual environment. It will diagnose whether it's a version pin issue, a system dependency, or a conda versus pip conflict, and give you the exact commands to fix it. For Python and data science work, Claude Code is the closest thing to having a senior data engineer pair programming with you at all times. The ability to read real data, run code, and iterate is what separates it from a chat.